Today we're going to make a sweet potato recipe that will please your whole family. Start by cutting 450 g of sweet potato into various sizes. Then transfer the cut sweet potatoes to a saucepan. Add boiling water to cover. Salt to taste and cook for 15 minutes. Once that's done, peel the potatoes. Can you imagine the marvel we're going to create? Next, add 250 g of sugar to a frying pan and let it caramelize. When the sugar has dissolved, add 100 milliliters of water. Gradually to avoid accidents, okay? And mix. With the caramel ready, add the potatoes that we've set aside on top of the caramel and cook for 5 minutes. Don't forget to turn them over so that both sides taste the same, okay? Cook for another 3 minutes. And there you have it. Our sensational caramelized sweet potatoes are ready to eat. Tell me, did you like this recipe as much as I did? Then follow us for more easy tips like this. Bon appetit and see you next time.